My name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. On this video, we're going to make the chicken version of our Filipino egg rolls or Lumpiang Shanghai. We'll add all our ingredients together. Ground chicken. We're making today's chicken Lumpiang Shanghai for Shelby's birthday. Shout out to Shelby Kilroy. Happy birthday! Carrots, onions, yes, 2 eggs, two tablespoons garlic powder, tablespoon of ground pepper, tablespoon salt, 2.5 tablespoons soy sauce. Mix them well. I'm making sure all the ingredients are incorporated into the ground chicken. So this is our lumpia wrapper. I have to separate them carefully. I'll be making smaller sizes of the Lumpiang Shanghai, so I'm gonna cut this in half. So we have triangle shapes Lumpiang Shanghai wrapper. We're gonna put a spoonful of lumpia and spread it on the lower edge of the wrapper. Make sure the filling is thin so they will cook evenly. Fold it like so. I'm gonna fold it like an envelope and roll it. Then you need some water to seal the corner. These are ready for frying. Turn the Lumpiang Shanghai once in the pan. It's ready when it's golden brown. Chicken Lumpiang Shanghai. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see videos of DIYs, restoration, and other time and money saving tips and ideas, please subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist. The videos are grouped into subjects so they'll be easier to find. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.